District 23, Adam 120, Adam 120 for a PI hit and run accident, 30th and Dearborn Street. It's a gray Nissan Sentra versus a gray Hyundai. Possibly left the scene unknown.
Need an officer to respond for an escort. More to follow.
West of, the O'Neill Farm.
On Jode Lane. In Grapeseed near Main Street. Please respond, code 2. Attention all units, channel is being held. Emergency traffic.
Lincoln 18 requesting 32.
Seminary Factory, you
Down with them.
received, shown you en route.
Lincoln 18 requesting spike strips.
Driving a, mint modified white Vapid police car.
Lincoln 18 requesting backup.
92, are you available?
Orange speakers,
Copy 92. Units responding, code 3.
Lincoln 18 requesting air support.
Copy that, I have Eagle 1 inbound.
This is air support. Suspect heading east.
Lincoln 18, I need another unit.
Passing multiple cars, really extremely reckless, still eastbound.
Lincoln 18, send me some more backup.
3 Lincoln 14.
Down with them. Suspect has crashed.
Code 3.
Jesus, man.
We're blowing up. What?
Dispatch, can you send us some EMS?